The sudden passing of Chinese actor Jin Ze has sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry, but beyond the grief and condolences, a growing wave of online speculation has unexpectedly connected his death to the earlier and highly controversial case of Yu Menglong. Jin Ze, who was known for his rising popularity in Chinese microdramas and online entertainment productions, reportedly passed away at the age of 33. His management company confirmed the tragic news and asked the public to respect the privacy of his family during this difficult time. However, the cause of death was not publicly disclosed, leading to widespread discussion across social media platforms, almost immediately after the announcement. Some internet users began drawing comparisons to the death of Yu Menglong, whose passing in September 2025 generated intense public attention and numerous online theories. Authorities had previously stated that Yu Menglong's death resulted from an accidental fall and that no criminal involvement was found, although rumors and speculation continued to circulate online long after the investigation concluded. The connection between the two cases appears to stem primarily from the sudden and unexpected nature of both deaths rather than any confirmed evidence linking them. Several social media posts questioned whether there could be similarities, but as of now, no official reports have indicated any relationship between the circumstances surrounding Jin Ze's death and the Yu Menglong case. Entertainment observers note that whenever a well-known public figure dies unexpectedly, speculation often spreads rapidly online. In Yu Menglong's case, authorities and family members repeatedly urged the public not to spread unverified claims, while law enforcement reportedly took action against individuals accused of circulating false information. Meanwhile, fans of Jin Ze have focused on remembering his contributions to the entertainment industry. Tributes have poured in across social media, with colleagues and supporters expressing disbelief over the loss of a performer many believed was entering the most promising stage of his career. Industry analysts say the situation highlights the challenges that arise when information is limited in the immediate aftermath of a celebrity's death. While public curiosity remains high, experts caution against treating rumors as facts until official findings are released. At present, there is no verified evidence connecting Jin Ze's death to the circumstances surrounding Yu Menglong's passing. As fans continue to mourn, attention remains fixed on whether additional details regarding Jin Ze's death will be made public in the coming weeks. Until then, the entertainment community is left grieving another unexpected loss while online discussions continue to fuel speculation. Public demands answers as questions continue to grow. As news of Jin Ze's death continues to dominate entertainment headlines, public interest has only intensified. Across social media platforms, fans have been sharing old interviews, behind-the-scenes footage, and personal messages from the actor, creating a wave of remembrance that highlights the impact he had despite his relatively short career. At the same time, the lack of detailed information surrounding the circumstances of his passing has led to increasing curiosity. Many internet users have begun comparing the situation to previous high-profile celebrity deaths, including the widely discussed Yu Menglong case. The similarities being mentioned online are largely based on the sudden nature of both tragedies and the emotional reactions they triggered among fans. However, entertainment commentators have repeatedly emphasized that drawing conclusions without verified evidence can be misleading. They note that speculation often spreads faster than confirmed information, particularly when public figures are involved. As a result, many supporters of Jin Ze have urged others to focus on honoring his memory rather than amplifying unconfirmed theories. Several fan communities have also organized online memorial projects, sharing tribute videos and messages celebrating the actor's achievements. Supporters describe Jin Ze as a hardworking performer who steadily built his reputation through determination and dedication. Many believe his career was only beginning to reach a larger audience before his untimely death shocked the industry. The discussion has also reignited conversations about the pressures faced by actors working in today's highly competitive entertainment environment. While no official statement has linked Jin Ze's death to work-related issues, some observers have pointed out the intense schedules, constant public scrutiny, and expectations that many young performers experience throughout their careers. Meanwhile, industry insiders expect that additional information may eventually emerge through official channels. Until then, authorities and representatives continue to encourage the public to rely on verified updates rather than rumors circulating online. For many fans, the focus remains simple, remembering Jin Ze's talent, his memorable performances, and the promise he showed as one of the industry's rising stars. While questions remain unanswered, the emotional response from audiences demonstrates just how deeply his work resonated with viewers. As the entertainment world continues to process the loss, one thing is clear: Jin Ze's passing has left a significant void, and his legacy will likely be remembered long after the headlines fade. The ongoing comparisons to other celebrity tragedies may continue to generate discussion, but supporters hope that respect, compassion, and verified facts will ultimately guide the conversation moving forward.